Hey everybody, I'm in the kitchen today. Brandy's in there relaxing. She's still not feeling well. And here's my favorite part of gardening is trying to figure out what to do with everything you've grown. So we have a bunch of cherry tomatoes and we can't eat all of them. So it's salsa time. So I got the jalapenos, got a little bit of onion, some cilantro, some garlic. We're gonna make some salsa out of the cherry tomatoes. My first time doing this with cherry tomatoes, but I'm gonna give it a try. The first thing I need to do is oven roast the tomatoes, and I'm gonna pan sear the peppers. So y'all stick around for some good salsa. Well, kind of pan searing these peppers in the cast iron skillet. I think it's alive. Sucker don't want to stay put. Okay. Don't hurt me. Don't get about that though. Get a little hot now. Tomatoes roasting in the oven. They're about ready to. Turn that fire off and let them keep roasting a little bit. Okay, everyone, got the tomatoes all roasted up. Got garlic, onions, and cilantro ready. We got the jalapenos all toasty. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do it in my Ninja, yeah. I'm gonna put the jalapenos in first. I'm gonna have to set this camera down. Jalapeno. Now the garlic. Some garlic in it. Hope that ain't too much garlic. I'll put part of the onion in, part of the cilantro. I'm gonna give that a good blend real quick. Whoop, Charlie put it on right. There it is. I'm just gonna pulse it. I'm gonna pulse it. Try again. My favorite part of the garden is making salsa. Well, we're gonna put some tomatoes in there now. And the rest of the onion. I've seen people make this without onion. Which way do y'all prefer? With onion or no onion? I'd never realize it when I'm eating at the restaurants if it has onion or not. Now, get this stuff out of the way. Put it in aluminum foil so I could try to just dump it all in with all the juices. And that way you ain't got to wash no pan. So, let's give it a try. Those all them natural juices. Come on, all in. Come on, y'all don't be scared. I'm scared I'm gonna dump it all over the counter. I think we got it now. Oh yeah. Quick and easy. I just love this Ninja. I don't know which one it is. They got too many different ones. It says Professional 1000 watt. Oh, they got so many different brands of them. They're going to put on low for a second. That's probably good. Let's taste test this. Noah gotta add salt. It's chunky. I barely got a bite. So, I'll take the lid off the salt shaker. They say that's a teaspoon. How about a teaspoon and a half? We'll give that another spin. Well, honey, I don't think we got enough to can, but we got enough to eat. Not too spicy. Well, let's taste test again. It looks pretty good. Nothing wrong with that. I like it. Got a little bite to it. So, I guess we're gonna put this in jars or what?
If you have enough.
I probably got enough for, well, it's got the ounces on the side. And it says 7 cups,
Okay.
56 ounces.
Okay, we got enough jars.
Got enough for jars. Well, guys, I guess you're going to jar that up for me and I'll save 1 jar to eat. That's another video from Pafford Homestead. Me, Brandy, and little Autumn. Sure appreciate y'all. We love y'all. Hey, y'all please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And I keep forgetting to look at the camera over here. And thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell for more notifications on videos. And we got more to come. You know what videos mean? In my book, I got work to do. But we love y'all. We'll see you on the next video. Bye, y'all.